So before I bleach my eyebrows, I'm actually gonna shape them up. I've never done this before, but it's just a little bit of hair, so I should be fine. Like, I don't know if it's like, oh god, really. Okay, that's a fail because this shit hurts and it's not working. I'm just gonna give up with that one. It's a fail. I'll just get my eyebrows back. But I mixed the bleach. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna put it on my eyebrows. I'm fucking scared. Oh my god. You guys pray for me. Because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I only watched like 2 videos of other people bleaching. Well, not bleaching, because most of them just shaded in with colored pencil or eyeshadow. But I didn't want to do that. I wanted my eyebrows red, permanent red. So I don't even know if this is enough bleach. But I am gonna try and leave it on for like 15 minutes, and if it starts burning before then, I'm obviously gonna wash it off. But I'm gonna try and keep it on for like 15 minutes. I'm so fucking scared. Like, bruh, if this turns out bad, I'm not going outside. And I didn't even buy black dye, which I was supposed to, because I wanted to dye my wig black, and my stupid ass forgot. Oh my god, I'm so fucking scared. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh my fucking god. Yo, oh my god, who does this? Holy shit. I can't believe I'm doing this. My eyebrows. Yo, my eyebrows are bleaching. I'm tearing up. Oh my shit. But I'm gonna try and leave this on for 15 minutes. So here's an 8-minute update. This is what my eyebrows will look like. Ah, yes. Excuse my lashes. I know they're a mess, but this is my eyebrows. They are like golden brown, and I got about like 5-6 more minutes. So are they burning? I wouldn't say they're burning, but they're tingling, not to the point where it's like I gotta take it off my face. But yeah, hopefully this doesn't irritate my skin. Yeah, I'll be back. Do you guys want to see my eyebrows? Oh my fucking god, I can't believe I did this. Yo, you guys. Yo. Oh my god, obviously I messed up here. It's still black, but oh my fucking god, like this don't even look real. Yo, like, actually I look kind of cute. If I was like emo or something and I had the confidence, I would totally rock these eyebrows shaped up, but I'm not. And where am I going with this? Nowhere. So now now I'm gonna apply this focus this on my eyebrows. So I'll be back. So I'm back. I'm gonna put this. Oh, it's closed. Ha 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 ha. Goldfish. Anyways, let me do that. Just gonna put those on. My eyebrow. Oh, Chantel. Who told you to do this? I don't know. I don't know. But I've always wanted to dye my eyebrows. I've always did. Just never did it. And when I have red hair, people are always like, oh, red suits you. So let's see if these eyebrows working on my face. Let's see if these will come out looking cute, or I'll be looking like a baboon. I don't even know. But we're gonna find out, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just gonna rub it in there. Make sure every hair is covered. Unlike the bleach, I missed out on some, so just gonna make sure, you know what I'm saying? Just rub it in. Rub it in. I see some light pieces up there, you know. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Put some extra on there. Come on the tip. Oh, looks like blood a little bit, but don't worry, it's not blood. It's just dye, you know what I'm saying? So now I don't know why I'm talking like this. If you haven't, look, don't focus on my wig. Don't focus on my wig. I know it looks horrible. I'm so sorry. Ew, I just look like my sister right there. Yuck. It's so creepy how like we all look alike when we do certain faces and stuff. That was very creepy. Oh my god. I need to stop looking at myself like that. That's when it looks like her. But yeah. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna leave this on. I'll probably leave this on for like a half an hour. It looks so much better. It looks so much better. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off, and that is gonna be that. You guys are gonna see me with red eyebrows next. Like, are you excited? Like, comment down below if like you're excited. Like, have you ever dyed anything? If you have, let me know. Your hair, anything. Have you ever bleached anything? But anyways, I'm gonna leave this on, and then when I come back it will be washed off, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's, you know, you guys want to see my eyebrows again? Anyways, this is what they look like. I like the color. Definitely different. Yeah, probably would look better with makeup. When I do get my palette with the red eyeshadow, I'm actually gonna put some makeup on and see if this actually looks good before I put it back to black. You know what I'm saying? So that's about it. So if you made it this far, subscribe. If you made it this far, comment down below if you've ever bleached or dyed your hair, or just leave a heart emoji or something down below. Let me know that you're watching. Also like the video if you made it this far. Share this video just to share. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Eyebrows out. Bye.